from part 3. Propeller from part 3. On the Paragon colors, Chameleon with Knuckle Flake from that on, and Meteorite Flake, along with the Chameleon pigment itself, Paragon color from Dead on Plastics. I'll clean it up and show you how I do it, which is why I'm not pouring the best that I can. Next up, injection. Let's just hope I don't spill and hurt myself. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's lower temperature, so I hold pressure for longer. No, I have not found any better music. That's why there isn't any on. I shall get back to you all when it's ready and cooled off. Well, one of them anyway. Here's where we buy from. Forgot one more. There's the mold from Alien AI, the Paratrooper. Never seen this one on video before from other producers. That's why we got it. New angle, new mold. Well, mold I haven't shown yet. The jackhammer from Epic Bait Molds, 3-inch. And yes, I have almost caught some rainbow trout on this. But not this color. New color for me to try. If you want to buy some, I'm going to try to set up a website soon. So yeah. I have 3 of these molds. And I'll let you know when we're back. And I might leave a link in the description to buy these from Epic Bait Molds. They're basically a small to 5-inch swim bait. Sorry I didn't clean it up that well, but these are way better than almost any other swim bait I could buy. One, because I make them. 2, they're just that good quality of mold. And then there's the machined mold, CNC'd. Now remember, this is a 3-inch jackhammer. Recommended for trout and salmon. Brook trout mainly, in rainbow and brown. But brook trout would be the best for it. Now this is like a fruit roll-up mixed with worms to me. That's what it looks like. And well, I'm going to clean this up and come back when it's ready. So, see ya.